Everyone is talking about AI tools, AI agents, and automation, but to so many people, the idea of coding feels like speaking Spanish or German. However, we need to shift our attention from what is happening to what is possible. In 2026, getting started with AI technology is very possible, even without having a coding skill. Stick around because this video is your non-technical roadmap on how you can efficiently make use of AI like a pro, even without a coding skill. Hey everyone, my name is Tolulope Oyejide, your host for Everyday AI Explained. And my mission here is to simplify the AI-driven future for you so that your transformation can be seamless. For years, I saw the incredible potential of technology, but while venturing into complex programming, I realized the power shift that AI is not just for developers anymore. The AI technologies are actually built to be explored and used by non-technical everyday people. My journey into AI without coding started with curiosity. And now, based on all my skills and experience in AI, I am now showing you how you can leverage these game-changing AI tools to boost your career, your productivity, and your results, regardless of your background. This is not about AI replacing your job. This is all about AI enhancing your daily workflow and making you become more efficient in your daily tasks. The biggest myth holding many people back is that you need a computer science degree to touch AI. This is wrong. In 2026, the main superpower about AI does not even require writing code. It's all about knowing how to talk to AI, knowing how to direct AI, and also knowing how to integrate AI into your everyday workflow. I know you might likely be feeling pressure when you hear your colleague talking about AI and how they are using AI to boost their daily productivity and achieve greater results. And you might even be thinking, where do I begin? The good news is that the barrier to entry is very low for non-technical AI users. And I think that should get you excited. So let's dive into how to start with AI in 2026. No coding required. I have broken down this into 3 basic actionable steps. Step 1. Get comfortable with the big 3 AI chatbot. Forget trying to learn everything at once. Your first major step as an AI beginner is to spend a minimum of just 15 minutes in engaging and making use of one of the leading conversational AI. Don't just ask them for jokes. Think about your daily tasks while you engage with this conversational AI. My friend, a marketing manager with no coding experience, used to spend hours summarizing competitors' reports. Now, she pastes this report into ChatGPT and asks, summarize these reports, highlighting key competitive advantage and weakness for our team. 10 minutes is saved each time this report has to be reviewed. These conversational AI are your personal assistants. Use them to draft emails, brainstorm ideas, outline your presentations, or even simplify complex articles. This builds your AI literacy and show you the practical power of using AI without coding. The second step I need to show you is mastering the art of prompt engineering. Simply put, prompt engineering is talking to AI effectively. This is exactly where the magic happens for non-coders in AI. Forget programming language. Your new language is prompting, and it's about giving clear, specific instructions to your AI tools. Imagine it like if you ask for a picture of a dog, you will get a generic dog. But if you ask for a photorealistic image of a golden retriever puppy wearing a tiny wizard hat, sitting in a field of sunflower at sunset, you get something more incredible. That's a perfect example of using an effective prompt when engaging with your conversational AI. I taught a small business owner how to generate marketing content using AI. just by refining his prompts. Instead of write a social media post, he learned to say, write 3 engaging Instagram captions for a new coffee blend, targeting young professionals, using emojis and a call to action to visit our store. Make them witty and under 2,200 characters. His engagement shoots up just by refining his prompts. The third step I need to show you is solving one small problem with AI automation. You don't need to engage every feature or every capacity of AI at once. Pick one and only repetitive tasks you do regularly and look for low-code AI tools designed specifically for this task and engage with these AI tools that you discover to automate this and only repetitive tasks you face on a daily basis. I know of a freelancer who hated invoicing. What did she do? She set up a simple AI workflow that automatically generates invoice from a project management tool that she uses, and that takes off the task of having to make invoice for every customer she attends to. The time to make invoice customer is saved, and because AI are taking off that task off his table. That is a perfect example of AI integration into daily tasks. You see, AI is not just a theory. It is what successful people are doing right now. The future of work is already here, and you have the power to shape your place in it. If you find these steps helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps new people to find us. And if you want more practical, no fluff how to use AI guide, go ahead to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our weekly everyday AI explain videos. We are building a community of everyday AI users who are being supported with AI expert knowledge. I don't want you to be left behind, and your chance to leverage AI to lead the future is maximized when you join this tribe. So do well to join this tribe by registering with the link that is displayed on the screen. Remember, AI is not replacing you. The person that is using AI will replace you. This is not about competition. It's about evolution. It is about empowering you to work AI smart, not just harder. Don't let misconception hold you back from leveraging these game-changing AI tools to boost your workflow and productivity. Start small and be curious, and watch how quickly you become AI power users, even without coding. I believe in you. Now go out there and start your AI journey.